Well, this is the aftermath of putting that transmission in Zach's little old Camaro. So I know most of you want to know how much horsepower the old 5.3 twin turbo small cam Mustang actually made. Put down in the comments right now what you guys think it actually made on 10 psi, because he didn't run it out all the way because he said he heard some ping or pretty much like detonation, but he didn't see it, but he heard it. It might have been just him being paranoid or whatnot, but 10 psi and it went only to 4,800 RPMs. Put down below, what do you think that actually made right now? I'll wait. If you guys said 578, you guys are correct. Guess what? We're at 578 subscribers right now. See the little photo right here? I don't know where it's going to be, but it's going to be right here or something. But guys, let's get to 600 in 3 videos or 2 weeks or something. Let's just go. Come on, subscribe. Make your grandma subscribe, your grandpa. Alright. You guys know the sequence. Okay. Every time. Right now, we need to go get some gas. This thing is pretty much on E. And then, I gotta put a bottle of this VP Racing, what's that say on it? Octane. Madden something bullshit. And I broke my dang turn signal switch, so I gotta play with it down here. Oh yeah, I'm almost out of gas. Call me Vin Diesel. Alright, what is it, 10 gallons? 10 gallons, 10 to 1? I think it's 10 to 1.
Yeah, treats up to 10 gallons.
Treats up to 10 gallons?
Yes, sir.
Well, see, it says 7 points for turning around up to treats up to 10 gallons. Alright. So all we gotta do is put 10 gallons in, pour a thing of that in there, and we're at 98 octane, and we should be good for no ping, no detonation, and we should be able to rip it. Like this. How do you get this off? Ow, my nail. This feels illegal. Feels like I'm just putting, you know, some go-go juice in there. Look at that. Look at that stuff. Oh yeah, that is $23 for this thing, and that stuff looks awful. Oil. Plug her off and let's hit the road, Zach. Yep. Okay, didn't like it. Foot brake. And then I want to they didn't want to watch it. What the fuck was that? Sounded like it broke up a little. What was the time?
You didn't make it all the way to the quarter mile.
I didn't make it to the quarter?
No.
What the fuck? What did it say, 8th mile? Did it say anything 8th mile or anything like that?
8th mile was...
You gotta film the thing.
The 8th mile was 7:44. Let's see, 0 to 60 was 3.8. Your quarter mile was 11:72. So...
I couldn't go anymore. It just kept breaking up.
Yeah. Sounded like you were spinning.
Every time I went up a little higher, I felt it break up, and then it shifted. I felt like it broke up, and it shifted. And as soon as I hit 3rd gear, topped out, I didn't have anything else left for it.
Yeah.
It's a little pissed off now. Ready? Tricky there, spun a little. Damn. All right, so a little bit more horsepower than expected. So, all right, we need to turn around. I felt it skidding this way, and then I was like let off, and I got back on it. Shit. Jeez. Alright, I built an 8th mile car. Fuck! It pushed through the two-step. Like straight up pushed through the two-step. I held it, I pushed my foot all the way down to the ground, I went with it. Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't bad though. We got some tinkering we gotta do, guys. Just a little bit of tinkering. We gotta go to the track. I'm thinking this weekend if they're open, we're going to the track. I think it's ready. Burn out! What? Oh man, found some tools in here. So we getting this dipstick put in. It just slides in now for some odd reason. Guys, you guys don't know this, but when we put Zach's transmission in, his TH350, he bought a universal dipstick, pretty much tube for it, and it wasn't going in at all. But now it's just going straight in, right?
Yeah, I pushed it a little further back so it'd be more up and down.
Up and down. And it's working now for some odd reason.
Yeah, I really need to take these freaking heater lines out.
Uh-huh.
And there's a wiring harness back there.
Yeah.
I also need to like put up.
Just put up on it.
But it works.
But it works now. Guys, this thing is just working phenomenally. I can't say the word, but the one thing I don't like is how hot it's getting. It got up to 216, but it's pretty much stayed there when I was cruising. Okay, given I could probably make a street drive, like if I was gonna do like daily driven and stuff like that, I would make it just fine. I kind of want to go to a dual core or a triple core radiator, and then I want to get some different vacuum lines that one aren't gonna melt when it gets extremely hot like it is getting. But hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I do have a little sneak peek. I know you guys might not even see this. If you guys can see right there, the little blur is the back of a car. Well, there's pretty much just little things I gotta do to the car to make it run right, to make it work. I need to change plugs, obviously. But hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.